Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to draw and paint nose from different angles. The basic rule for that is triangles. So first, we're going to choose any brush as we like, then we will turn on the line drawing tool. Using the line drawing tool, we will draw a triangle. It's going to be an isosceles. That is a triangle with two equal sides. It doesn't have to be completely perfect, but try to make it as accurate as you can. Next up, we will draw another triangle which has a right angle. Finally, we will be drawing the last isosceles, but this time the midline is going to shift towards right from the midpoint. Now that all the basics are ready, we're going to take a new layer above it and start drawing the nose. First, we will draw two parallel lines, almost equal distance from the midline. The V shape indicates the beginning of the broader part of the nose or the cartilaginous part. And finally, we will do the nostrils. The curvy, broad lines up there is the bridge of the nose. So we have a basic front-faced nose. Now we're going to draw a nose from the side view. This is the easiest process. You just have to draw a sharp curve of the nose bridge and then a line going almost parallel to the baseline. We are going to stop just before we reach the end and draw the blunt curve that is the tip of our nose. And finally, we will finish it with nostril and the bump at the side. Next up, we have a different angle which is neither completely front face nor completely side faced. Please carefully notice the process. I would tell you all the parts I'm drawing, but those anatomical terms are complicated, so I'd rather not. I'm hoping that you can understand what's going on here. Now, look at the arrows I'm pointing at. Those arrows are showing the midline of each of the baselines. Make sure the tip of the nose ends on that line. Make sure that the sides of your nose fit inside the triangle. The outline of the front-faced nose should be same distance from the midline, but this one has more distance to the left side, which is more visible to us. Now that our rough line art is done, I'm going to quickly do a better line art and then start painting. First, I'm painting the mid-tone as usual. I'm going to now paint the darker parts. It is going to be the sides of the nose, and we have to leave the middle part for highlighting purpose. I'm using pen fade brush for both painting and shading. Now that we're done with the darker part, we're going to highlight the middle part of the nose using a lighter tone. I'm using pen fade brush for both base coloring and shading and highlighting purpose. After coloring everything, we're going to blend it properly. I am using pen fade brush to blend everything out. I am not using any smudge tool or blur tool for blending. If you want your highlights to be shinier and brighter like I do, all you have to do is take a new layer above the painting layer, change the layer mode to add, and then paint your highlight. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if you would like to see more tutorials related to facial features or anatomy, please let me know in the comments down below. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.